So I've been growing loofah gourd plant. It's vining from this side. It started here. It came up all the way here. And it's even reaching down to the other side here. But the whole time I couldn't find any female flowers. I'm like, there's a lot of male flowers, but where's all the female flowers? And I didn't see any loofahs. All of a sudden, I just saw this big old thing. Like, what? That's huge. So I'm excited about that. I think I'm gonna let, I don't know what I want to do with it. If I want to actually use it for like food, because apparently you could use it in like soups or stir fried with eggs or all kinds of things. I'm sure they use it in a lot of like types of cuisines. Or I could let it dry up into actual loofahs and make sponges out of them. And if I do that, I can also collect the seeds. This is huge. This is bigger than my forearm. And I think I'm pretty buff, so. just the audacity of this plant. It's great. It's great. I love it. I love this. Okay. Anyways, that is my excitement for today. I need to run inside because I am getting devoured by these mosquitoes. Alright, see you later.